about to make me some 2x4s out of this stick of pine here, 17 foot long. I should get a pretty good amount, and I got another one over there as well, so I'll probably at least mill those two cans. Had this long a long time. Still one of the ones we had red anchor still on. So we got about 10 and a half by 11. I'm gonna cut some of this, trim it up, make sure I got a good square straight edge here, flat on all sides, and then I'll cut my 2x4. Wow, we got a nice, lot of nice 2x4s out of that. And that stuff right there, I'm gonna chip it in place in just a moment. We can use some wood chips out here in this area. So what do we get out of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 2x4s, 17 foot long.
Nice.
So that should go a long way.
Yeah.
I got one more to do.
Wow. What you got?
So we got 12 17-foot 2x4s out of that. And so we keep this material right here. This is really good stuff for battening down like plastic and things like that around the garden. So we keep these little batting materials around as well for the pine. So that's all good stuff. We got just a little bit to chip over there. And I think this is pretty successful. So what did we get off the other log?
Oh gosh, did you say 16?
Something like that. So this one, I thought I was going to get more, but this one I guess was a little bit smaller. Yeah. But we did all right. We did okay. And it's very, very clear. Very, very clear. So, you know, that's great. I mean, I guess if you did have to grade this lumber, it'd get high grade.
Yeah, I mean, you know, that means not very many knots, right?
Most of it's really clear.
Most of it's free of that, so yeah.
Yep. All right, so cleanup time. I'm gonna go ahead and chip those branches. We're gonna blow off the mill. Get that ready. And I think we got a sunny night, or sunny night, starry night.
Starry night.
So we have a starry night, so we should be able to just leave it uncovered for the night.
Sounds
and then
good.
we'll batter down and maybe we'll do some more. Since we got rid of the two big pine cants, I've got some more pine logs that I can mill into cants and have them standing by. So maybe we'll do that tomorrow.
I like that. I like having cants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Having the cants ready was just really fast.
Yeah.
I mean, we ended up with over 30 sticks of lumber here. And they're 17 foot, so we're gonna need them at 8 foot. So basically 60 plus sticks of lumber here, you know, just a little bit of work.
Nice.
A lot of work spread out over a period of time, but a little bit of work today.
Yeah.
To add to the inventory. All right, so I'm gonna chip that, chip up the waste, and you can blow off the mill.
All right, sounds good.